The U.S. Republican-controlled House of Representatives on Tuesday approved a motion to oust Speaker Kevin McCarthy in an unprecedented move amid Republican infighting. This comes days after McCarthy relied on Democratic votes to pass a clean stopgap funding bill to avert a federal government shutdown.
The office of Speaker of the House of the United States House of Representatives is hereby declared vacant.
The 216 to 210 vote came nearly 9 months after McCarthy won the position in a dramatic 15-round floor fight. It's also the first time in the U.S. history that the House Speaker has been voted out of office in the middle of a term. 8 Republicans joined Democrats in voting to remove McCarthy from speakership less than 1 day after hotline Republican Representative Matt Gaetz announced a resolution to remove McCarthy through a process known as a motion to vacate. Gaetz and other hotline Republicans had warned for weeks that we moved to oust McCarthy from his position as leader of the chamber if McCarthy relied on Democrats to pass funding legislation.